and welcome back to Spirit Seers. Today on Tiki edition of Cocktail Corner, we're going to be making a Honolulu Lulu. This is a kind of a crazy cocktail. It's got light and dark rum. It's got Benedictine, which is an excellent liqueur. If you hadn't had a chance to try this, I highly recommend it. It goes well with almost anything. It's kind of cool. And then we're also going to add homemade coffee liqueur. We'll talk about that more in just a minute when we get to it. We're going to build this for our tiki cup. This is Scary Terry. Got him. You can find him at Geeky Tiki. Pretty cool. We're going to build it in a shaker tin. So the first thing we need is 1.5 ounces of dark rum. This is Myers. Any dark rum will work. You can choose your favorite. And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of white rum. This is my Havana Club white rum. Delicious as well. And then we're gonna do our Benedictine. And this is gonna be 1/4 ounce. You don't need a lot of this, it's very potent. And 3/4 ounce of the coffee liqueur. This is homemade coffee liqueur that I made a little while ago. It is really easy to make. You just take a base spirit. In my case, it's Blanco rum. It's the 100 proof water pocket Blanco, and you grind up some espresso beans and let them steep, and then if you want it a little sweeter, you can add some simple syrup to it. We'll actually be doing a segment on that on our bar back. If you guys want to check that out, we'll show you how to make it, go through the whole process with you. For the citrus of this, we're going to do 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And some pineapple juice, 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And then we're also going to do about a teaspoon of grenadine. This is some homemade grenadine that we've made. Let's check that video out if you guys get a chance. And then we're going to add ice and shake it. Give it a nice good shake. All right, before we pour that in our tiki mug, we're going to fill him up with some crushed ice. So we're going to get our mallet in our Lewis bag. You don't have to do it this way, we just don't have a ice crusher up here. Ice crusher, I guess that's a fridge nowadays. Just fold that over and give it a few good whacks. So we're gonna just fill up our Scary Terry here with some crushed ice. Whoops, try not to make a mess. And you want to go about, ooh, I don't know, 3/4 of the way. It doesn't really matter. Most of it will end up on the floor. All right, so we'll take that and then we're gonna strain. And then we're going to add a straw. We'll use a blue one. This is a Surfside Sip straw. And let's do a little mint here. Give it a nice smack to release the oils and the fragrance. We'll go off the top there. And there we have it. This is a Honolulu Lulu in Scary Terry. Oh, that's really good. The coffee stands out in this more than you think it would, just because it's not a lot of it in there. But it's not overpowering. It's not strong, but it's definitely there when you taste it. On the back, you get a lot of the herbal, kind of earthy flavors of the rum and the Benedictine, and then it's sweetened, but not too sweetened by the citrus. It's definitely not sour. This is a very nicely balanced, very tasty drink, and I hope you give it a try. If you do give it a try and you like it or don't like it, let us know in the comments. And then make sure you guys are hitting that like button and subscribing if you haven't already. Click on the links below for our affiliates for Surfside Sips that include the discount code. And also, if you want to head over to the Teespring and see if you can get some cool merch, do that as well. And we'll see you again. Thanks a lot.